Hello. I need you to look into my eye sockets right now so that I can tell you once again how to take notes. I'm trying to make this as easy for you as possible. There's been a video, there has been multiple conversations, there's frequently asked questions in Google Classroom, and I'm about to show you how to do this. If you don't have a printer, I understand that, but things like this graphic organizer, you're just drawing lines, and you can do that. If it's a map is a little bit harder. However, if you have your computer, you can turn off tablet mode, put a piece of paper over the map that you pull up on the screen, and just trace it, and you'll get the same outcome. So I need you to pay attention to exactly what is needed of you, because you have to take notes. Even if you make a great grade on the diagnostic, I need to see some notes before I'll approve natural Texas. So pay attention. So every single day, whenever you get into the platform, the first thing that you should be working on is your goals. So make sure that you set a goal. You create a goal and it's in that bottom right-hand corner. You take the diagnostic test. If you've already taken it once, you don't have to take it again, but you do have to set a goal every day, okay? So you take that diagnostic test if you haven't, and that will tell you basically how you did in the objectives, which shows you where to concentrate your notes. So you're going to see introductory materials, and that's where you find these notes to download or to copy. So when you open introductory materials, the first thing that you should click on is study guide. And what that is this paper. And it's just a general overview of the information you need, right? So maybe the easiest way to start there is just to search for those definitions. And they're pretty easy to find. The second thing is graphic organizers, and these are so helpful. That's here highlighted in green. There's one about natural Texas, and right here I have circled where you can find this information. In Objective 1, there are two s'mores. One is called regions, one is called resources. You can find that information there. The other one that will download when you click that is about Native American tribes. In Objective 2, there's a presentation called Native American Tribes of Texas. So easy. All the information you need is there. There's two maps here, and these are what those two maps look like. One of those maps you find in the introductory materials. There's a reading called Where in the World is Texas? I would also suggest that you label the border states, country, and rivers. The other map you find in Objective 1 in Resources of Texas. That's more. Remember, I told you that you should color code it, because if you color code it here, when you're doing your other notes, you can carry that color coding over, and it'll just kind of help you keep everything together. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, it's in the video that I posted on Monday. There are several ways to show me your notes. If you have requested a test, first thing is you have to have a goal set in that focus area for the day. Second thing, I have to see notes. You can email them to me. In Google Classroom, there's a spot for you to submit them. Google Chats is open, and you can take a picture and send them there. You can put a picture in a Google Doc and send it to me. You can show me in a Zoom meeting. So I've given you like 5 different ways to send your notes. Couple of videos now showing you how to take notes, exactly what the process is. So I really expect for you to kind of understand this by now. And if you don't, watch this video again. Watch the video from Monday again. Read the frequently asked questions. Ask a friend. Ask me. But when you're asking me questions that have already been answered, it makes me think you're not paying attention. So we do need to get that test attempted by Friday so that progress report can be passing, but I can only do that if you're following the procedure. Thank you. Love you.